Hi everybody, how's everyone doing today? Are you ready for today's trading session? Guys, my name is Thomas and I will conduct the following webinar for you. I will be happy to answer all your questions should you have any, and I would like to have as much communication with you as possible during today's webinar. The topic of today's webinar, or the strategy of today's webinar, is going to be one of my favorite strategies, which is called Friday. So Friday is in my opinion, it's a very simple strategy that basically has three indicators in them in this strategy, and all these indicators are okay. So all these indicators, let me switch to, why is it not in English? So it should be, yeah, so let me switch my the language of my platform to English, because for some reason um, it was not English. All right. So guys, today we start 1 hour earlier. Yes, okay, so here we go. So the recording of this webinar is going to stay in the recordings list on the channel, so you can watch and watch it again anytime you want. And like I said, we need to go to strategies tab. So we go here, we select trading strategy, and we need to find a strategy. We need to search a strategy called Friday. So Friday is available for advanced level, advanced status, and or expert. So advanced and above. I need the explanation in Spanish. So Alfredo, we have a special channel. You can look it up on YouTube. It's called Olymptrade Latam, I think, or Latin America. And we also have a channel in Portuguese, which you can also find by. So it's called Olymptrade para Brasileiros. You can find that one in search on YouTube. And like I said, someone tell me where can I see the transmission in Spanish. So yeah, like I said, all you need to do is you need to go to YouTube and type Olymp Trade Latam or Olymp Trade Espanol, and there you will find it. Okay, so it just pops up right away. Um, so if everyone is ready, guys, I think we can start. So this strategy, so let me find, okay, what I like about this strategy, first and foremost, is that this strategy has like a very exact moment when you need to open a trade. So you don't have to kind of guess. With some trading strategies, you might think, okay, so is this the moment or not? All right, so this strategy has a very exact moment when you need to open a trade, and this moment occurs when the 5 EMA, this fast one, the like bluish one, it crosses either the 13 EMA or the 55 EMA. And if it does so, like in this example, I think we might see a crossing from bottom upwards, and right when this crossing happens, we should open a trade in the upwards direction. Very simple, very concrete, and very exact. Okay. So in this sense, this strategy is different from, I would say, trending trading strategies like kind martin or diving, or a few other strategies where the exact moment, like those strategies, they don't really have a very, like, say, the exact moment. They have approximate moment when you can open trades, but they don't have like very exact moment. So here in this strategy, it is very exact. So I'm looking at the chart of AUD, so the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc, and possibly now, okay, so almost. So when these lines cross, so basically when the fast one, the 5 EMA, will cross the orange one, that will be the moment for opening a trade. So almost there. And basic dollar index, yes, the signal is almost there. So okay, and I missed. Okay, so as you can see, the 5 EMA crossed the 13 EMA, but unfortunately, the moment is yeah, I think the moment is gone because so yeah, with this strategy, timing is very important. So in some other trading strategies like diving or kind margin, timing is, yes, it is important, but it is not that crucial. So you can just keep opening trades as long as the signal is there. Now with this trading strategy, on the contrary, you need or you basically have to open, yeah, like this, guys. Okay, yeah, so the euro USD, the 5 EMA crosses the orange line, the 13 EMA, and that is the moment for an up trade. Okay, I will probably now open a few more trades, and then I will switch to a yeah, so let's trade the euro GBP. Even though euro USD and euro GBP are in deep correlation, they always, they like almost always, they correlate to one another. And so yeah, in a little while I will switch to another time frame. I will switch to a higher time frame just to show you how you can also work on higher time frames with this strategy. And I would say the majority of most of our strategies are suitable for, you know, trading on higher time frames. And in fact, I will tell you one little secret here, one little piece of truth here, is that the higher your time frame, usually the more profitable your overall trading becomes. So when you start trading, when you start like holding your positions for hours and then days and weeks, um, that's pretty much when your trading becomes like really, really profitable. So, and this is why we have, that's a piece of advice number one when our analysts, they consult you guys and our traders. And like step number one towards successful and profitable trading is to stop trading or at least not always trade with 1 minute trades. So the duration of one trade, 1 minute, is, like in my opinion, it is one of the most dangerous. Okay, so it is the most unpredictable. Okay, so I mean, oh wow, GBP GPY, guys, let's give it a try. I like how this breakout is happening. So we have this yeah, I think I still have chance. I was about to cancel this trade on the euro USD, but I think we should push upwards now. There should be this upwards push coming. Twenty seconds to go. Wow. 10 seconds. 8. Okay, that was very close to a win, but unfortunately, just a little bit of. Okay, so it's not a loss. Huh, interesting. So this is not a loss. This is a trade with a refund. So almost a win, but that is almost. All right. Anyways, guys, I have a few winning trades here, which is always nice. So any profitable trade is a celebration. Okay, so it doesn't have to be. It's one of those little things that make you happy when actually your trading portfolio or trading capital increases. Of course, it's of course. So GBP USD. AUDCHF. Okay, so we are not really going anywhere. Guys, a very interesting example here I would like to pay your attention to is that we have this, as you can see, we have this multiple top and we have this triangle forming. Okay, I'm not going to, so I don't really plan on using this approach right now, but yes, so the signal is here. And oh wow, we are going down. So yes, this will be a nice little breakdown here, and also we can open another trade with a duration of 5 minutes. So I'm demonstrating different durations, different setups, so that you can see that there is this pluralism in a way that you can use. You don't have to stick to just 3 minutes or like say 1 minute, 5 minutes. You can like select different durations and different forms. So and a most like a very common question when it comes to trading is which strategy is the best, so which strategy is the most profitable. So in fact I have to like tell you the truth that there is no one single trading strategy that is like one fits all trading strategy. So every strategy, oh, okay, so this could have been a nice trade, but yes, with this strategy, maybe one little, I'd say disadvantage with this strategy is that with this strategy, yeah, so the timing, okay, so let's try this one. So the euro against the Canadian dollar, even though I think we might see a pullback down, but still the signal has just appeared. So let's trade this signal. But yes, timing is crucial in this trading strategy. So like this, right? So the USD, so the United States dollar crosses the, so on this asset, the 5 EMA crosses the 13 EMA in the downwards direction, and that is a signal for a down trade. Wow, look at this. Nice. Nice. Okay, guys, let me read a few questions from the chat. One of the topic questions, sir, should we go with fixed amount for each trade? Given 66% win rate consistency is really challenging, which we have to achieve to be profitable using fixed amount of trade. All right. So, how do I answer this question? There are multiple, I would say not just multiple, I would say there are three main methods of money management in trading. So the first one is, yes, it's called fixed amount of trading, fixed amount of, or fixed amount per trade. And that's when you basically open trades with a fixed amount of money, like $50 or $100 per trade, always. Like so far, throughout this webinar, I've been trading with fixed amount of money, which is 25 bucks, so $25 per trade. So that that was the my fixed amount of money per trade. Also, okay, so you can use a different one. So if everything goes well and you are winning, so you can start increasing the amount traded. Okay, wanted to cancel the trade, but I was late. So I saw this breakout happening. Anyways, so yeah, guys, there are multiple, like the classic one that I'm doing right now is called fixed amount of trade, fixed amount of money per trade. Now, a more sophisticated one would be if everything goes well, you can start increasing. So from 25 you go to 30, from 30 to you go to 35, from 35 you go to 50, etc. Okay, so you use this like a different amount of money per trade, and if everything goes well, you increase. If something is not going well, you decrease. So that's a like trading approach that I have tried many times, and in general it works absolutely fine. And also it allows you to make especially more profits when you are, I call it, on the same page with the market. All right, so I had so far I had 5, 6 winning trades, 2 losing trades. Okay, so these trades are very bad. I thought it was, yeah. So the USD JPY is a good trade, even though it closed with a loss. Still, I consider this a very good trade. And we can give it another try. But with EuroCAD, yes, that was this trade that I wasn't really sure of. But anyways, I did open it. Maybe I opened it a little bit later. Should I open it on the previous candlestick, which in fact would not have saved me. Anyways, guys, and another approach to money management is the so-called the martingale principle, or we call it loss compensation system. Is so it means when you have a profitable when you have a losing trade, so the next time, so for example, let me give you an example. So say right now $25 and I lose. So what do I do next? I multiply this amount by 2. If I lose $50, my next trade will be in the amount of 100. In reality, it has to be, okay, so 25 and 50 is fine, but then the next step has to be something like this, because the overall profit is 82%, so it requires some calculations, but basically it works like this. Okay. What is disadvantage of Friday? So disadvantage of Friday is that sometimes you just miss trades, and basically, even though, yeah, I think it's like it's just you gotta you it's like you have to be there at the moment when the signal appears, because when signals they just don't appear. So I mean, on the contrary, a strategy called kind margin. Well, you can open trades pretty much as long as the signal is there, which is always kind of like an easy thing to do, because the signal, it just appears on the chart, and then it stays there on the chart for the next 10, 15 minutes, etc. So timing is important, but it's not that I would say crucial as it is with this trading strategy. Guys, I think I wanna, no, okay, so it was tempting to cancel this trade. Yeah, let's cancel this trade. Okay, I think this trade, I don't know, just don't feel like it's really going down. Well, we'll see. I think I just made the right decision. I saved, so I only lost like $9 out of, so I saved $16. So guys, canceling trades, yes, you can do it. And in fact, sometimes it is even recommended. So Asia Composite Index, we can open a trade in the downwards direction because the signal came on the previous candlestick, and the price, the current price, is right there when the price was when the signal appeared. So, but okay, so let me go back to the previous question about money management. I would say that when you trade on expert level, you don't really need, yes, that would have been a loss. So I'm really did the right thing that I canceled it. So sometimes you just have this gut feeling that kind of allows you, okay, I don't want to look at USD GPY anymore. It's just not going anywhere. So I would say that you don't need 66% winning trades. 50, I think, if you trade with a profitability of 50%, of 90% or 87 to 80 to 90% or even 92%, then your break-even point is only 50, I think like 53, 54, maybe 55%. So I think achieving this level, like 55 profitable trades out of 100, in my opinion, it's just doable. It really is possible. So let's open a trade here, AUDCHF. So yeah, I would say this is really doable and this is really attainable. Okay, GBP cut. I don't know. It's kind of looks tricky. Natural gas. Wow, guys, for those who have missed it, we are trading so natural gas. So this natural gas is basically the price of natural gas in the United States. Wow. Oops, missed here. So this price, we I think yesterday we exceeded the highs of 2014. So the 2014 highs, and yeah, gas prices or natural gas prices, they are like unbelievably high. And also, like, all the energy resources are trading at such high levels now. So Brent is also trading like so high, and that's probably not the end of it. Okay, so we have a signal here on Asia Composite Index. Now this signal is in the upwards direction because the 5 EMA crosses the 55 EMA, and that's when we need to open a trade up. Yeah, so AUDCHF. Okay, so that's gonna be a losing trade, I think. Don't think there's much chance that it will reverse. What's happening with Twitter today? So Elon Musk said that he wants to buy buy all of Twitter actually, and we are already trading. So on pre-market we are trading at $49, which is probably something like 5 or 6% more than yesterday's close. Right. Outcut. So AUDCAD. Okay. Let's try trade in the downwards direction. Okay, guys. Let me now switch. Before I forget, let's switch to 5-minute time frame and let's try and find a few signals there. And okay, don't like this signal on gold actually. Okay, so let's try this one. So 15 minutes. A trade in the upwards direction. Okay, should I use another? Yeah, so $33 just to differentiate between these different durations. Okay, let's try USD JPY. And yeah, so at least 2 trades, not bad. Okay, so Brent. CAD yes, I think the signal, even though this signal came on the previous candlestick, I think it's still fine. And GBP CHF, yes, the blue line crosses the orange line, so yeah, that's the signal. Okay, and the final trade. All right, now let me go back to $25 per trade and duration of trades of 3 minutes, and I will continue, and also time frame of 1 minute, and I will continue searching for new signals. So, right, what I have outcut. Nice. Okay, so 30 seconds to go. Okay, 30 seconds to go, and hopefully this will be a profitable trade. Commodity signal here. Yes, AUD I think we are about to see the crossing, so we should wait a few more seconds. Value of EMA. So actually we have 3 values, which are 5, 13, and 55. And so candle time, so time frame is 1 minute, and duration is 3 minutes. Or okay, so basically we have this very simple rule that duration or the time frame multiplied by 3, and that's how you get your optimal duration of trades. Kind of like a basic rule. So for example, if you analyze charts on 1 hour time frame, then duration of trades should be, well, somewhere around 3 hours, maybe maybe a little more, maybe a little less. So a lot depends on your own preferences and on your experience, because sometimes some people just we all look at the same charts, like day after day after day after day. We all look at the same charts. We all see the same price moves, the same candlesticks, indicators work absolutely the same for everyone. But yet, in the end of the day or in the end of the month, we have people who have made money and people who have lost. And that is because everyone is a little different, and everyone's analysis of the current situation is also different. Yes, there is. You look at the chart and it's just different. I mean, like what I see and what I pay attention to is different from, for example, what you see. All right, guys, I opened the trade and this is market opening right now. So 15:30 my local time, so 3 p.m. GMT plus 3. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no, 6 trades. let's wait just a few more minutes before the initial volatility after opening of the US market is cleared. Or did we open or not? Or hold on. Oh, no, no, no. I got confused. No, no, no. The US market opens in 1 hour. Okay, so just got confused. Okay, so it's 8:31 in New York. Yes, because normally I conduct these webinars at I start at 4 p.m. GMT plus 3. So yeah, that's why I was a little confused. Okay, so a comment from Mostafa, which was posted probably 10 minutes ago. I'm sorry that I'm only reading it now, but anyways. So plus $273 using Friday's strategy yesterday and today. It works so well in 5-minute time frame, 15-minute duration. Yes, that's what I told you. That usually duration, like the longer your duration of trades and the longer the higher time frame, usually the better results you get with these and with any strategy, I would say. So guys, oh wow, so we're dropping so hard on the. So still, it is the middle of the hour and volatility comes. I don't know. Let me check my check the economic calendar. All right. Okay, now I get it. We just got a portion of news released. Yes, in the United States, initial job claims, and this is it. And as you can see, a lot of news appeared in the market. Retail sales decreased. So yeah, that's why. So core retail sales came better than expected. Initial job claims came a little worse than expected, but this is not the most important parameter here. And retail sales month to month, core retail sales, they decreased. Well, so I would say the reaction of the markets is mixed. Okay, a question here. Should we enter on the right of the cross point or wait for retracement? In my opinion, it is the best moment when exactly when this like crossing happens. So let me provide you with an example like this one. Yeah, so the euro GBP, the euro is dropping against the GBP, and the blue line, the purple line crosses the orange line. So yeah, that's the moment. Yeah, exactly the moment. So I would say some people, they try and wait for they always try and wait for some sort of retracement, some sort of pullback, some sort of a pullback, things like that. But for me personally, I like to open trades exactly when this intersection appears on the chart, and I just go ahead and open the trade. Like this one here, AUD JPY, right? Trade in the downwards direction. Here, oh wow, very, very volatile. GBP JPY is extremely volatile. Same is true for AUDJPY. So, guys, the so-called concept of correlation, it happens a lot on the markets, like as you can see here. So whenever you have GPY in this currency pair and you have GPY in, so CHF GPY, CAD GPY, they all are in correlation to one another because they have the same currency. So right now we have a lot of turbulence happening because of this news that I just showed you. So yeah, and also the ECB press conference is happening right now. Okay, so I'm not surprised that the market started behaving a little crazy. My trading account is blocked. How can solve this? You need to address this question to customer support, and they will try to help you. If it's possible, they will help you. And I mean, like, should be possible to like open your account or unlock it, unblock it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades here. Wow, so much volatility, guys. Should we incorporate market structure with this strategy for confluence? Well, I would say my answer would probably yes, because especially if you trade forex, you need to take into consideration fundamental analysis, the fundamental side of things, and you need to well, so just generally you need to be aware of what's going on the markets. Like you cannot incorporate everything, and in fact you shouldn't pay attention to all the news that is being released, but in general I would say just be in the know what's going on, because that allows you to understand the global trends and mostly the potential of these trades. Because to identify a signal is one thing, but to identify the potential, okay guys, I will probably stop trading. I can see that the market is crazy. Okay, so we need to give it a break here. We need to stop here because as you can see, these huge candlesticks. So 8:30, all right, so probably for the next 10 to 15 minutes I will not open any more trades. I can definitely see how volatile the market is and how much it is it's being affected by the press conference. Okay, so probably I will see 4 winning trades out of 6 here with the duration of 5 minutes. Oh, sorry, with the duration of 15 minutes and the time frame of So 1 minute to go, and no sale. Okay, I actually wanted to cancel this trade. I wanted to save $2 because definitely, I mean, like obviously, nothing can save this trade here. Well, I would say that. Oh wow. So Brent is reversing. All right, so it will be it's going to be very interesting to watch. So 40 seconds, 45 seconds to go on Brent, and so this trade closes with a loss. USD GPY will be closing with a profit. Now Brent is going to be this kind of like decisive trade, because if it closes with a profit, then I will have a I will have 4 winning trades against 2 losing trades. If it closes with a loss, it'll be 3 versus 3. Okay, wow. And everything looks like everything will be solved on the last few seconds. Wow. Isn't it amazing when you open a trade that lasts 15 minutes and then everything gets solved on the last few seconds? So, how did it close? Okay, so it closed with a loss. It was almost a win. All right, guys, it's just oh my gosh, it sometimes happens with the markets. Markets are crazy. Come on. And all right, so it's gonna be 50-50, all because of Brent, which closed with a loss on the final few seconds. So basically, it was for I don't know, probably 12 minutes out of 15. It stayed in the profitable area for me, and then it just closed with a loss. Wow. So guys, this is how our trading went. I'm trying to calculate my trades here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 losing trades here, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So okay, basically it's 50-50 this time. A lot of my trades got affected by this release of the news, but yes, the news can get released just pretty much anytime. Otherwise, that would have been a little bit more successful trading session. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the trading strategy in general, and my suggestion, like I always suggest that you try. So before like making a decision of whether this strategy fits you or not, just open 50 trades, open 100 trades with this strategy, and that will tell you whether this strategy is profitable or not. Because, like I said, the one tool in one hands can be a profitable tool, and in others' hands it might be a losing tool. So, yes, thank you very much for your attention, and I will see you next week at 4 p.m. GMT plus 3. All right. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you shortly.